Hey, hello, good family. Hope you all are doing good. All of us are doing okay over here. Well, today we have a new guest in our home. Actually, he's a temporary guest, he's not a permanent guest in our home. And the guest is Ryan. I have brought Ryan today because many of you have been suggesting me, and many of you have been advising me to take Ryan to my home so that I can easily go to the vet and I can give treatment to Ryan easily. Actually, this is the best option, and this is the only one option I think. Only one best option I think I have in my hand. So that's why I just brought Ryan in my home, and okay, right now I'm just going to give him a bath because he needs a bath definitely, you know. So let's give him a bath. It's him, our beloved Ryan. He has come to my home. Look at him. Wait, Ryan, it's okay, baby, okay. Just a moment, Ryan, it will be fine. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Shampoo for Ryan. Okay. Just a moment. Come inside, honey. You have to take shampoo, you have to take bath. Right? Shakira and Rock, they're just knocking the door and all. Oh my god. I should manage. Well, actually, I had to manage Shakira and Rock because they were, doing a lot of noise and chaos. So I just kept one of them inside of case, and otherwise I didn't have any option. Wait. Okay, that's fine. It's gonna be okay. Don't worry. It's gonna be okay. That's gonna be fine. Alright, Ryan. That's fine. Actually, he's not feeling good, he's very weak, and means he doesn't have any interest also in anything, so that's a problem. This is the main issue. Hold on. That's okay, it's gonna be fine. Okay, best. No, I'm not give anymore because he's not feeling good. Okay. Fine. Okay. Okay, come on. What happened? Tell me. Let me give some more shampoo to him because he's smelling, also I didn't give the shampoo over here. It's better to give some shampoo over here. That's all fine. Okay. Yes. Okay, now I'll give him some milk. Let him try to give him some milk, means if he eats or not. That's him, that's Ryan, after the bath. Look at him. Okay. Be over here, honey.